Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1987 GMC Sierra 1500 Shortbed. Just an absolute beautiful vehicle here. As we go through this vehicle, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. Most of those cars, about 80% of those cars, are domestic classic cars, and then we also have about 20% that are exotic, luxury, and or European. We have the capability of shipping all over the world. In 2024, we shipped to about 7 different countries and 19 different U.S. states. So if you're not in Florida and you have interest in this 87 GMC Sierra, please give us a call, and don't worry, as we can get this GMC to you anywhere in the U.S. or outside of the U.S. We'll get you this vehicle. If you have finance needs or you want to finance, we also have finance partners that can help you get this financed as well. Several of our lenders specialize in classic cars only, so they can certainly get you financing as well. If you have questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Now, more in particular on this 87 GMC. Let's go back up front, show you what it's... Sorry, I got the hood closed here, but we'll open up the hood. It is powered by a 5.7 liter V8 paired with a 700 R4 automatic. The vehicle did have a recent repaint in 2023. It has gone through extensive mechanical restoration, as the engine has been completely rebuilt and restored, transmission as well. You can see it does have AC, power brakes, power steering. Engine bay is very clean, well done. Up front you will see disc brakes, Riddler wheels. The rear does have drum. Does have a black bed liner in it with the red exterior, black interior, bench seat. Again, just a very, very well done restoration on this 87 GMC Shortbed. Go ahead and get it started up for you here. As you can see, Dakota digital gauges, radio works. You can hear the fuel injection. Starts right up. And the fuel pump going. No smoke. Fluid coming out of the exhaust. If you hear the engine purrs as it should, no knocking or ticking. Just a beautiful, well done 87 Shortbed, 5.7 liter V8. Again, the paint is in excellent condition, was recently repainted in 2023. Interior's in excellent condition. AC does work. I can't grab that from let it warm up before we get too much. Again, just a very well done restoration on this 87 Jimmy. If you have any questions or any interest, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you very much.